Kindergarten, back with math. Grab a pencil and paper. You could do this along with us, with me. I'm gonna roll the dice. Here we go. You're not gonna believe this. You know how the last 3 days we've gotten a 6? Really? I'm gonna re-roll it. Ah, there we go. 4 and 3. Those are two numbers we're using. We're using 4 and we're using 3. Oh, I know that 3 is right before 4, so that means it's a smaller number. Oh, the alligator is very hungry, wants to eat the bigger number. So, I'm going to write the alligator mouth opening toward the bigger number, and we're going to read it left to right. 4 is greater than 3. Draw your tumblers. 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh. And we'll do addition. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. How many altogether? All together. How many total? All right. I'm going to count on. 4 is in my, I'm thinking of 4. I'm going to start at 4. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I started with 4, and the equation told me I need to count up 3 times. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is the same as 7. And subtraction. 4, start with that bigger number, the greater number. 4 minus 3 is equal to, so you're going to start with 4. So I have 4 on my finger, so I'm not going to pay, I got that. Minus, and the equation tells you, you're going to take 3 away. 4, and take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. Only 1 is left. 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. I'm going to draw a picture with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 3 away, so I'm going to X out 3 of the circles. 1, 2, 3. And how many circles are still uncovered? 1 circle. 1, 1. 4 minus 3 is the same as 1. Tallies. Let's do a group of 5 and 2 1s for our tallies, because 5 plus 2 equals 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can even show this representation. You can show the tallies in a number sentence. I'm just going to show you what that would look like. So you have, if I wanted to take the tallies and turn them into an addition equation, I would go 5 plus 2 is the same as 7. So 4 plus 3 is the same as 7, and 5 plus 2 is the same as 7. Because we know we can get to numbers in different ways. All right, so we still have the shark problem up here. I'm going to read it again and think about, I'm going to grab my highlighter pen. And remember, listen for the numbers and listen to what question the sentence is asking. So here we go. Remington has 5 toy sharks. He gave 2 to his friend. How many sharks does Remington have? Okay, so I'm going to go through. First, I'm going to highlight the numbers so I know what numbers I'm working with. Remington has 5 toy sharks. He gave 2 to his friend. How many sharks does Remington have? So they're asking you how many sharks does Remington have? So that's what's important to know what you have to solve this problem, or what you have to do to solve this problem. They're asked this question. This sentence is asking you, how many sharks does Remington have? So yesterday I plucked out the numbers and wrote a subtraction equation, because if he gives his toy sharks away, he doesn't have 5 anymore. So I'm going to use blue and, I'm just going to draw shark fins because, trust me, you just want me to draw shark fins. So these are going to represent our sharks. So the toy sharks. Here we go. I'm going to start with the bigger number, 5. So I'm going to draw a group of 5 sharks. 1, 2, oh boy, there's 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remington has 5 toy sharks. Now, just like up here, when we subtract, we can cross out however many sharks the word problem says. He gave 2 to his friend. So he gave away 2 sharks. 1, 2. I'm going to cross out 2 sharks because we are subtracting. So Remington does not have this shark anymore, and he does not have this shark anymore. How many sharks does Remington have? So Remington, he gave these 2 away. So these are what he has left. That means he has, how many sharks does Remington have? 1, 2, 3. Remington has 3 toy sharks left. So he is still holding on to his 3 because he gave 2 away to his friend. And if you give something away, you don't have it anymore. It's subtracted from your life. So that's another strategy to use when trying to figure out word problems. Remember, pay attention to the numbers that the word problem is talking about, and what is the question asking. It didn't ask, how many sharks does Remington's friend have? It didn't ask that because it told us right here. We know that his friend now has 2 sharks. Okay, how many sharks does Remington have? That's what the real question was in this scenario. Okay. Still, I encourage you to try and make up your own creative word problems, because it's fun to use your imagination and come up with stories. All right, one more video. Friday.